Good morning, everyone. We are going to present on the topic dual axis steering. Dual axis steering. Dual axis steering was introduced by Mercedes-AMG Petronas team. It involves the system which allows the driver to adjust the toe angle by push or pulling the steering wheel. Traditionally, we observe that the toe angle cannot be changed during the race, but however, the development of DAS, the toe angle can be effectively changed throughout the race. This has advantage by braking, the tire wear can be reduced using this DAS. Now let us see what is toe in and toe out. We could see that in toe in, the front end of the wheel points towards the central axis of the vehicle. Whereas in toe out, we can observe that the front end of the wheel points radially outwards from the central axis of the wheel. The toe out has advantage in while making a curve. While making a curve, toe out is best option for controlling the vehicle since it provides grip and accelerates the overall speed of the vehicle. Toe out increases the grip between the road and the tire, which causes the acceleration of the vehicle. Now, Hari will explain about how DAS is working in F1 cars.
So, usually F1 cars have front wheels as toe out, that is the negative toe, and the rear wheels have a toe in, that's positive toe. This is due to toe in, when it is toe out, it helps the car in turning, like in corners, it increases the grip between the tire and the road. And it actually also helps in enhances the steering sensitivity. Actually, when this is achieved by Mercedes in 2020 by keeping a button in back of the steering steering column. When pressed, the steering column can be pushed back and forth. By which, if it is pushed back, the steering rod changes and steering rack can be aligned in such a way that toe angle changes. So by which the driver can change the toe angles whenever he needs. Why it is effective? Because toe in is very useful when the path is very narrow or straight. Because toe in, if it is in toe in, the straight paths, the car can be improved in accelerating and it also enhances the grip between the tire and the road. Advantages in using DAS is increase in speed due to the reduced drag force, increase in static toe out for better performance in the curves, extension of the tire's life in keeping the desired temperature in a particular range.
Totally DSA is totally based for the precision. Precision is important for driving the car in the short corners. As DSA offers less more arm movement in the driving while taking the corners. It reduces the steering radius. As the reducing steering radius, we can use it in short cornings. Basically, there's a journal in DSA, journal in DAS, which totally governs the precision in the cornering. As the journal aims about corner turning. The journal was tried in the Shanghai GP. In Shanghai GP, there is a trickiest curve which requires a 270 degree turn. So for that, DSA was used, which was effective than normal steering. So the precision was the main aim for the DAS So it was now many parts, many automobile industries like emergency vehicles and truck and heavy load, dynamic load vehicles are aiming to create effective DAS in their system to have a better short turning in the traffic, which is very important. Actually, in F1 the DAS is DAS mainly activated by pushing and pulling the steering, which create toe in and toe out angle, and change the all drive or four wheel drive situation, so that we can totally overcome the traveling.
In integration and autonomous vehicle means like vehicles which are autopilot mode, like Tesla introduced already. In that one, they are already facing many problems like accidents. Some people are died in that autonomous vehicles. In that, they are trained using this dual steering system. Future developments and advancements. The main advantage in dual steering system is when you drift with the dual steering system with the DSA, the radius of curvature decreases by 4 to 20%, which means the energy required is very less and fuel also very less consumed. So who is not gonna try, because just by changing the steering system, the fuel consumption is very less. So efficiency also very high. So in future it is very highly recovered.
So F1 steering geometry is designed for expense at pretty much everything. For speed at pretty much everything else expense. The ride isn't soft, and the tires certainly don't last 40,000 miles or giving 40 mpg. On a regular car, the steering is designed for comfort and convenience. But here it is solely designed for speed. So we can't imply DAS in normal road cars. So, but like in order to find a real world use for dual axis steering, we need to look beyond just changing the toe angle. Using the in or out axis of the steering wheel could serve as an input of other things, like the driver could pull the wheel to raise the car up to go over speed bumps or bumpy parking lot entrances, and release it to drop back down for smooth highway driving. So on the other hand, a simple button on the dashboard can do this too. Perhaps insert the second steering axis could rise or lower some arrow flaps. In that case, the driver might even feel some actual feedback. So in conclusion, dual axis steering is a new technology, and it can be like efficiently used in upcoming years, and like it can very much, it can be very much efficient beyond F1 cars. Like we can use it for dynamic loads, and use it in trucks to enhance like smooth driving in trucks, and for dynamic loads. Yeah, thank you.